Hello everybody, and today I want to demonstrate my project Vault protocol. So one of my project is CredVault, that is based on Vault protocol. So today I want to demonstrate Vault protocol. So Vault protocol is one of the protocol that utilizes Quorum based blockchain as well as the IPFS in order to do its task. So when we are using this protocol, we set the all the transaction as private. So basically Vault protocol works on Quorum, which can help us to do the permissionized blockchain transaction, and permissionized blockchain transaction are used in corporates. um, Basically it's more like a blockchain network just for the particular organization, so you can think more of like that. So if I click on check status, the check status of the API will be done, that whether all the IPFS or blockchain is connected or not, and the timestamp will be given. So I could potentially run full demo, but I really wanted to show you each and every step in this demo. So let me enter one of the email address. So since I'll enter my email address over here, right? And once I enter my email address, let's select one of the file. So let me select logo 5, right? And I'll show you the logo 5 as well. So logo 5 looks something like this, if you could see. And I'll close this and I'll issue a certificate using that. So normally this particular protocol works with file ID. So file ID is something you can think it as a version control system. So suppose if you want to retrieve another file on that particular file ID, you can do that. But basically it's more like a version control system. You upload a file, it creates subsequent content ID based on that, in case if you update a particular certificate. So since we in order to verify a certificate, we just need the file ID. I'll click on verify, and if you could see, I could potentially uh, see all the details that it needs. So last modified is something when you update a particular certificate with a new file. So I'll show you when we will update a certificate, and let's click on get certificate. So it will retrieve the certificate from the blockchain network, and you can see which particular transaction has been happened with which particular uh, uh, address. So that is one of the things. Then of course I have hosted it on Docker on cloud, so that is one of the things that you can see over here. Let's talk about the download certificate file. So once you click on download certificate, you will retrieve the correct file that you have uploaded. So if you could see logo 5 png, all of the things, click on save, and if you could see, this is the steam file that we have uploaded. um, Other than that, we will test the vault URL scheme as well. So vault URL scheme is something like vault, uh, all of those things. So this is one of the things that we have integrated in our protocol. The thing is, not all browsers support it, so we have added some of the uh, other things in order to incorporate this. So that is one of the things. Now one thing that I have told, that it's more like a version control system. So I'll show you how it is being done. So let me upload one other image. So let us upload IPFS logo, and that is IPFS logo svg.png. I'll show you this image as well. So I'll enter IPFS. Yes. So IPFS logo.svg. So it's more like a PNG file, and you could see it looks something like this. Now let me click on update certificate, and once I click on this, it will take some time and it will upload the certificate. And it, if you could see over here, the old CID is also here. So old CID is this, new CID is this. And if I want to retrieve let me retrieve the new certificate first. So in case if I want to retrieve the new certificate, you could see I could retrieve the new certificate. Let me delete the certificate. So in case if I want to delete a certificate, this will allow me to delete that. So yeah, so other than this, we have also API documentation page that you can find in API/docs. So this is more like a Swagger documentation. You can see what are the responses and what are the things that you could potentially put in the API. So this is one of the documentation that we have added in our front end as well. So you can access it on /API/docs, or basically you can directly access it using docs as well. Other than this, you can find the main demo URL over here. So yeah, thank you for watching, guys. That's all.